In front of me is TCL 605 and today I would like to show you how you can enable Suggestion Strip at the top of your keyboard. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then select System. Click on Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Gboard. Now it's time to tap on Text Correction and use gray switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. So when I do that and go back, I can see that Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!